The boat tour taught me why the Ganges River is considered sacred by so many Hindus. It helped me understand why people wake up before sunrise to come here, pray, and even bathe in the water. Now, I'm not saying I'll drink from the Ganges myself, but I do understand why some people do. For many of them, it's not just a river. It's a sacred place tied to their faith, traditions, and way of life. I think one of the biggest lessons from traveling is learning to be open-minded. Most people look at a place like Varanasi and immediately decide it's dirty or strange because it's different from what they're used to. But they never stop to ask why people do these things in the first place. You don't have to agree with every tradition to respect it. Sometimes the goal isn't to judge another culture, it's simply to understand it.